One of the most elusive lines in the Thomas & Friends franchise to me has to be Toby's Branchline. Like, we know it exists, and it's around Arlesdale for a portion at least, but we don't really know that much else. I recently compiled a route of what I thought it would look like for my series. I'll go over how I made it, touch upon what I was thinking for the lore of the line would be, why ultimately I can't use this route, and then I'll walk you all through it. Since I can't use this route, I won't make the lore its own segment, as I have to tweak it around a little bit. So to start, I think Toby's Branchline has to be a recent addition to the railway. My idea is that after Mavis arrived in 1962, the railway set about building a line along the valley and through the hills to Ulfstead. The reason for the construction of this branch was to connect the important town of Ulfstead and serve the many farms and mills that dot the greater Arlesdale area. As the line runs along the road for a while, only engines with side plates, such as Toby, can operate it routinely. Don't worry, I will make a proper lore video about the construction of the branch line, its reasons for existing, and its operations once I get to that point in the main series. For this route, I really wanted to ramp up the amount of sets from the TV series I used. From bottom to the top, I used Maithwaite Station, Season 3 Canal, the Little Lakeside Loop from Season 1, Lorry 2's Crash Site from Season 5, the Waterfall Bridge set from Season 3, Toby's Windmill, both the Season 3 and Season 5 versions of Ulfstead, and Arlesdale End. Some of them, such as the Ulfstead sets and Arlesdale End, came out really well, while others, particularly the Waterfall Bridge and the Canal set, weren't as accurate. I finished this route about 2 months ago, and then I started working on another route, the Mid-Sodor Railway in Callan Castle. It was at this point that I noticed a fatal flaw in the Toby's Branchline route. As you can see, this is how I plan to merge the MSR, iOS West, and iOS Center routes. These routes all have specific connecting spots where I had designed them to link up with one another. And if I have a Toby's Branchline route where I designed it to connect, it juts out between the two endpoints of the mountain road on the MSR. While the mountain road could just slope around Toby's Branchline, all the area around Ulfstead, barring to the east, is flat, going against the idea of a mountain road. I felt it would have just been too cluttered and wouldn't have come out too good. Another thing is there's no spot for Arlesdale Town Center or the Garth to fit in. I usually leave a gap above about a chunk or two just to give the two routes space to mesh. But the Toby's Branchline route just went too far north, especially compared to the Railway Series map, where Ulfstead is supposedly directly to the east of Farquhar. There are some workarounds I could have tried to do, but I felt like I wanted to build a designated route for the mountain road, to connect the Arl Valley route and the center routes together. So I called it a loss, and I plan to start rebuilding the route, heading in a more easterly direction once I finish the Arl Valley route. But for now, I want to show you all what I built, as I am proud of how it turned out from a set building point of view. So the line starts north of Farquhar, where it is supposed to join with the western route. The western route is updated to 1961, while the Toby's Branchline route is updated to when it was built in 1962/63. The line follows the river on the opposite bank of some farms before passing the flour mill. This is one of the locations I'm not pleased with how it came out, so when I rebuild this route, this will be redone. We soon arrive at the first station, Maithwaite. I used reference pictures from seasons 5 and 13 when building Maithwaite Station. The tiny village is just down the road on the banks of the river. The river curls slightly towards the railway where a canal is situated. As I said earlier, this is loosely based on the canal from season 3. The line then curves around the lake besides the cliff. This was the first part of the route made, as I want to test how accurately I can recreate a location from the TV series. The railway then crosses a bridge and then starts to weave through the hills. We go through a small pass based on the cliff where Lorry 2 crashed in Horde Lorry and start a climb. We then pass the waterfall bridge. This is an essential location for any line going to Ulfstead, but I really screwed it up. It doesn't look very accurate, and it screwed up the water levels. Originally, the stream that falls down the waterfall was supposed to come from near Arlesdale. I even built a bridge further upstream and everything. But as I built the area near the track, I kept having to change the water level, leaving a mess of attempted streams upriver and a water level problem with the original river downstream. I had to build a huge swampland just to justify the rapidly changing water levels. I can't wait to rebuild this spot later. The line curls around some hills where it re-meets the road. We finally arrive at Toby's windmill. I kind of like how it turned out, but this is another location I'm eager to rebuild. The line splits into a long passing loop as we reach the town of Ulfstead. We pass this hill which the camera is set on in Season 3, and then pass the station itself. Lastly, we pass a set of buildings from Toby and the Flood in Season 5. The road crosses the railway and then the river and slinks up the hill to the town of Ulfstead. It sits on a hill overlooking the valley, and a huge dam is situated just next to the village, with a fatal flaw. It has two small spillways, which during a harsh melting season could get overwhelmed. Water from the nearby hills drains into the basin just behind the dam. I will never rebuild any of Ulfstead. I'm way too proud with how it came out. My plan is to cut this whole 4x3 trunk out and reuse it in the rebuild as is. The line curls north past Ulfstead Town Goods Yard. We then enter a huge forested area that stretches all the way to the Arl River on the MSR map. This huge area is nicknamed Arlesdale, with many small settlements dotted around the woods. It is also a huge farming belt, with countless farms spattered throughout. The railway crosses the road twice before entering Arlesdale End. Here there is a major gathering point for grain and other farming produce to be shipped via rail. The station and the surrounding area is based on how it appeared in Season 15 of the TV series. And that's it for Toby's line. Like I said, I plan to keep certain sections unaltered, specifically Maithwaite and Ulfstead. I'll also keep the Lakeside Cliff line and the Arlesdale End section, but I'll change their orientation to better fit into a new map. So the line will curve south after Maithwaite, around the lake, and then the Hordlorry Pass over the waterfall bridge and into Ulfstead. Now Ulfstead is directly east of Farquhar. Then the line will then head north for about a mile into the forest and Arlesdale End. Toby's windmill will be moved up here as well. Hopefully, Toby's branch line will get the justice it deserves, and I will have a fully fleshed out lore ready by then. But for now, thank you for watching my video on Toby's branch line Mark 1.